Minifying JavaScript file is an optimization technique to reduce JavaScript payload and the main thread blocking time. Minification can help reduce JavaScript file size by removing comments, white spaces, and redundant code, and in some cases also makes the code more efficient by using shorter variable and function names. The smaller these JavaScript files are, the faster they are downloaded, parsed, and executed by the browser. How does minifying JavaScript affect page performance? Whenever the browser loads a page, it needs to download, parse, and execute JavaScript files during the page load. Since this happens on the main thread by default, a higher JavaScript payload will block the main thread for longer, extending your page load. So minification makes your code leaner and more compact by removing unnecessary elements, decreasing the file size, reducing the bandwidth consumed, and speeding up your overall page load time. JavaScript minification could break your site in some cases if not done properly. Minifying your JavaScript is less impactful on the overall page experience when compared to other optimizations like code splitting, eliminating dead code, and caching your JavaScript code. Hence, minification is a lower priority optimization that should be regarded as fine-tuning step to refine your page experience rather than single-handed boost your page performance. The decision to minify CSS, JS, and HTML files provides advantage for both the website visitors as well as the site owner. By minifying your files, you will benefit by reducing the amount of data transfer required. Files will run more quickly in the client browser. Taking advantage of minification is a great way to help further optimization your site and is easily achievable with the above mentioned online tools and plugins.